So guys, look at how long my hair is from threading it. So the threads are off. I need to wash my hair. I've had this threading on for 2 weeks, and this is how long it is. So guys, I think I will carry on threading my hair, and you can see it's not even knotted, so it actually protects the hair. So it's different from when you braid your hair, because I noticed that whenever I braid my hair, and if you carry it for so long, when you take it off it starts to knot, but with the threading it protects your hair, guys. It's almost as if you stretched my hair, and that's it. Look, there's no knotting, and I've had it for 2 weeks, and that's it. Like, it's nice, right? I actually got myself some wool yarn, so I'm going to actually do threading using yarn next. So I think threading is the way to go, guys. If you're looking to stretch your hair, if you want your hair to grow, look at my hair, guys. Imagine if I carry on threading my hair, imagine how long my hair will be. These are the things I'll be using to wash my hair today. I like to use all natural products on my hair, and I love to use products that have essential oils as well. So these are the items that I'll be using today. So I'll be using Natural World Superfood for Hair. I've used another one from them, but I noticed that this one works well for me. So with shampoos and conditioners, you try it, and if it doesn't work, you move on to the next one until you find the right one for your hair. It's natural derived ingredients infused with organic macadamia oil. At the back of it tells you all the essential oils it's got. So it's got 4 essential oils, which is rosemary, lemongrass, orange, and ylang ylang. So I'm going to try the conditioner out. I've never used the conditioner before. I used to use my Sheer Moisture conditioner, but this is my Coir Butter cream. So after washing my hair, I'll be using this as my cream, and then I'll tie my hair up and wait for it to dry. So by tomorrow I should be able to start threading my hair. And it's so big, guys, that it probably will last me the whole year, guys. 1000 ml, and I only paid 49 kronas each for them. If you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. If you're not already a subscriber, it really does make a huge difference to the channel. And we will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.